This is a quick video as to how the band propagation work. I've been listening to the 40 meters and you see the two bands over there. It's actually a noise. So what happens if the noise keeps shifting on the 40 meter, what you see over there? So if you just unmute, you'll see the noise, and there is a station over there who is using that particular frequency, and you can see the band, the noise actually shifts. So if I'll do one thing, I'll shift to that particular frequency and the band noise increases. If you see there, the band noise increases, and this particular band noise, it was here on 7.100, and it has shifted. So on the other side you also have the band noise. So this seems to be some kind of a localized band noise, in the sense on that particular frequency, maybe atmospheric band noise. So if the one advantage in SDR radio is you can see where you do not have the band noise, and you can pick that particular frequency and you can use it. And as I mentioned, you can see that the band noise keeps changing. So after some time this particular band noise may shift. So this is the observation what I did when I'm using my SDR radio. Hope this helps you in understanding how the band noise works.